Alright, so today we're going to be learning about area and perimeter. Or actually not learning, but it's just going to be a quick review over everything. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. Just add up all the sides. That's all you got to do. Then circumference is the distance around the circle, same as perimeter, just with the circle. And then you just plug it in the formula, so C equals pi, and then diameter. And for pi, make sure you type in 3.14 and not just hit the pi button on your calculator. Area, the amount of space inside the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. So basically everything inside the shape. Here are all of the different formulas. You guys should all have these in your notes. Okay, now it is time to start your project. Your project is going to be design your own theme park. Your mission is to design a theme park with a partner. So what to do? Step 1, brainstorm. Step 2, plan on a piece of paper. Step 3, make it fun and colorful. Step 4, fill out key, which will be online. I'll show that to you after this. Step 5, find area and perimeter of each shape. Please show your work on a separate piece of paper. The things you must have in it is just 10 things in total. So that could include rides, restaurants, stores, green spaces, whatever, as long as there's 10 things. And try to make sure that they are more than just like all rectangles or all squares. Try to give some variety. Okay, so now here is the key. So you're going to put the name, then the category, the name, then the category of what it is, so either ride, food, gift shop, whatever, then the perimeter and the area, and there's 10 there. You can fill this out online, or you can fill it out on paper. Just let me know if you want it on paper or not. Okay, and you will also be doing a thing called a peer grade. So you will already be invited to class. We've already used this before. Go ahead and go into the theme park project. So this will be used to grade each other's papers. This is my view. But the PDF for the design your own thing will there. The description of this is students use perimeter and area skills to design the layout of the perfect theme park. Okay, so once you are done, you will submit your paper on, or your a picture of your amusement park on this with your keys attached to it, and then each person of your group will go in. You're going to pick two groups projects to grade. So you're going to mention something that the group did well, something that they could improve on, and one thing that you absolutely loved about their theme park. And make sure that your theme park gets approved by me. That way it is appropriate, and I am okay with what the theme is. But so yeah, that is it. And now everyone go ahead and go get started on the projects. If you have any questions, please come and ask me.